Hello friends, let us continue the chapter Nazism and the Rise of Hitler. Today we will take the fourth part of the chapter, which is Youth in Nazi Germany. First of all, we will do the cleansing and the purification of the schools. Then we will see the Nazi cult of motherhood, what their ideology for the girls and the women community, and then we will discuss and see the art of the Nazi party which they are using for their propaganda. So let's start it with the first part, that is the cleansing. The first thing he do is that all the teachers who were Jews were dismissed from the school. Not only Jews but all those who were politically unreliable, means those who does not believe in the ideology of Hitler, they were also dismissed from the schools, whether they are Jews or they are Nordic Aryans. The Germans and Jews students will not sit together, and they even cannot play together. All the undesirable children were taken to the gas chambers where they were killed. Whatever the people of the countries are thinking, that's what they read in their school books. Their school books makes their ideology, their thinking. So it is necessary for Hitler to change the textbooks, because what Hitler think is that today's children are the future of Germany. They are the future Germany. So it is necessary to make today's children pure Nordic Aryans. This is how change the textbooks which were rewritten, in which his ideology was given in all subjects, not only the literature subjects but also in the science and maths type of subjects also. The racial signs were introduced to justify the Nazi ideas. Not only this, but the math subjects were also introduced. You're thinking how maths can be taught in a racial style. For example, like if I am trying to teach maths according to Nazi, one Nazi plus one Nazi is equal to two Nazi. Clap for that. Nazi are the great and the most brave persons. Now we have two Nazis. So this is how additions were taught. Similarly, like there are five people, four are Nazi and minus one Jew. One is Jew and which was killed. So now there are how many people? There are four people, and all the four are Nazis. Only Nazis are there who deserve to live. So clap for that. So this is how maths was also teaching like this. The children were taught to hate Jews and worship Hitler. The boxing could make children's iron-hearted and strong. The children were taught boxing. Boxing is the game where when one person hit the another person's, it creates the mentality of aggressiveness in a person. Means that particular boy become more aggressive, more muscular type of thinking will create in that boy. So this is how boxing type of games were introduced in the schools. The youth organization is responsible for educating the German youth. This whole responsibility to teach the youth of Germany, to teach the children of Germany is given to the youth organization of Germany, the Youth Nazi Party of Germany. As like we see, there are different paramilitary forces in a country, like in India, scouts, guides, etc. Similarly, NCC, etc. Similarly, the childrens were introduced to many organizations like the 10 years childrens to Young Walk, 14-year join Nazi Youth Party, and 18-year join labor services. This is how the boy become more hardworking and aggressive and disciplined in manner. The Youth League, founded in 1922, which was later known as the Hitler Youth Party or organization. So this is how we see the cleansing of and the purification of schools and the role of youth organizations. So let us come to the 4.1 part, which is the Nazi cult of motherhood. According to Hitler, the girls are for or the girls are a machine to produce Nazi childrens. This is what the thinking of Nazi for women and girls. Children were taught that women were radically totally different from men, so there is no equality in between men and women. So fight for women's equality is totally wrong. The girls were told that they have to rear pure-blooded Aryans, the pure-blooded Nordic Aryans childrens, and become a good mother. Those who bore racially undesirable were punished. These women were punished in the square, insulted, and then after that they were killed. To encourage the women to produce many Aryan children, they were awarded, like if a woman produced 4 children, then she was awarded with a bronze medal. On 6 children, awarded with silver medal, and on 8 children, woman was awarded with the gold medal. So this is how Nazis tried to encourage women to produce as much as Nordic Iron people. Let us come to 4.2 part, which is the art of the propaganda. The art of the propaganda. What does mean by propaganda? Propaganda means to create an image which is exactly not true, but whatever you want to create, and whatever you want, you create that type of image, either in the people of a country or in the world. So because this is your mission, so this type of mission is known as propaganda. Propaganda is a false image, to create a false image. So here also Hitler tried to create a false image. Nazi used with totally careful all the works whatever he is doing. He wants to create his image as a person, or what we can say in Hindi like avatar. He took avatar on earth for the welfare of the Nordic Aryan peoples. For that, they used code words for various practices which they were done, like for mass killing they used the term special treatment. For the killing of Jews they used the term final solution. Euthanasia is the term which was used for the killing of all the disabled, means those who are not able for doing any work, means those who are physically handicapped or mentally handicapped. Plus they are also used the words like selection, disinfections, etc. The gas chambers which were made to kill these all undesirable peoples, they were labeled as the disinfection area. One of the reason is that so that no media and no one can go in these areas also. Media was used carefully. Even till 1945, no one knows that what Hitler was doing. After the end of the war, then the whole world knows the real truth about Hitler and his Holocaust, what he done. The Orthodox Jews were marked, their homes were also marked, and one by one they were sent to the concentration camps. So all those whose home were marked, they were just waiting for their number. These all Jews they were referred as a very inferior beings. According to them, they are not human beings. They were totally treated as an animal or cattle and not even considered as a human being. So this is how we see the today in this part we see the youth in Nazi party where we done the cleansing of the and the purification of the students. Then 4.1 is the Nazi cult of motherhood we done, and later on we done the Nazi cult of motherhood. That's all in this part. Any kind of doubt and problem, please send your comments. I will definitely reply you, or you can visit to my blog, which is bipindogra.blogspot.in. Thank you.